Hi, my name is Keith Hull. Welcome to another NASE Minute. I have been working with the NASE for almost 30 years. The NASE has been representing you, the self-employed business owner, since 1981 with just one purpose in mind, and that is help you be more successful. In all those years, there has never been a time that the voice of small business is more powerful than it is today. Whether you're left-leaning politically or right-leaning politically, or you're right down the middle, your voice matters. Today, I would like to encourage you to let your congressional leaders know what's important to you. Now, we are proud to represent your voice in D.C., and you have told us that the things that are important to you are access to capital, tax equity and simplification of the tax code, access to affordable health care, and new options for self-employed retirement plans. Those are the things we're concentrating on, and we will do that every day. But again, your voice is the most powerful tool that you have. So let us know what's important to you, and let your congressional leaders know what's important to you, and we'll be here to help. Bookmark our website at nase.org, and always remember, you're not alone.